Yo, that's literally a resort right there. I think that's Okemo. The last time I've been out here, snowy. Oh boy. This guy's turning here. Yeah, the last time I've been out here though, it was like snowy, crazy roads. So it's just pretty wicked to be out here, especially in these back roads with a semi truck. I never in my life would have thought that would have ever happened, but here we are. So we're just enjoying it. Beautiful day out, guys. Super happy today. Good stuff, my guy. I'm on 103 North right now, heading up to Rutland. I got to pick up a load up there, some technology place, and I'm taking that down to Carlisle for tomorrow for a 1200 appointment. I like how this guy parks. Basically in the road. Gotta love it. And I was right. That is Okemo Resort. That's so sick. I'm looking for Seward Road. It's coming up in 0.9 miles. It's gonna be on the right. So I'm assuming down at that next right. Looks about right. No, that's not it. That's the next one.
Turn right on Seward Road.
Especially with cars right there too. How am I gonna make that? Oh, it's a dead end too. I hope that's down there. I'm gonna have to wait for him. I'll wait for him to move. Come out a little wide for the turn and stuff. Dude, this is gonna be tight. What I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna wait for all these cars to pull out.
There's no way I'm over that curve and shit.
Yeah, that was tight, man. Holy, face got all red and stuff. That was tight, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Like, homie had to back up for me. That is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm looking for... let me just put my hazards on here. I'm looking for Kalo Industries or something. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Right here on the left. Kalo Industries. I'm going to put my hazards on real quick and just kind of stop. Get an idea for what this place looks like here. This is it. Loading docks. You guys can see those right there. So I can either do this one of two ways. I could go in there blindside, or I could do the right thing, pull up here all the way and regular back into the docks, which I would rather much do that. It's a little tight here, but we're gonna hopefully make this work. But first thing I'm gonna do is verify that this is the right spot. So I just got out from going in to check in, and the guy literally told me, he's like, look, we sent out 2 shipments last week, Wednesday and Friday. He's like, we have nothing for you. And I'm like, are you serious? I'm literally parked, ready to back in, and they have nothing for me. The products are not going to be ready for days, if not a week. So because they're failing. So I got permission by Walter. So I just drove out here 150 miles, 3 hours, just to see the views, I guess. So I got to call in dispatch. I'm really not in a rush right now and see what they have to say. But yeah, it's crazy, dude. Like, I literally drove all the way out here for nothing.